Hello class, this is a video tutorial on expected frequency. The expected frequency, or the expected value as it's sometimes known, is the number of results that is estimated to occur given a probability and a set number of trials. The calculation looks like the following. EV of E is equal to the probability of E times N, where this section means the expected value of event E is equal to the probability of event E and the N times N number of trials. Let's take a look at this with a few practical examples. Let's say a die is rolled 3,600 times. Let's calculate the following. The expected value of 1. So what this means is if we rolled a die actually 3,600 times, how many ones do we expect to happen? Well, since we can calculate this, it's the probability of 1 times 3,600. The probability of rolling a 1 in a die is 1 in 6, assuming this is a fair dice, times 3,600. Using our calculator, 1 in 6 times 3,600 gives us 600 times. So we would expect the number 1 to show itself 600 times if we rolled a die 3,600 times. So let's move on. Let's calculate the expected value of an even number to show. Well, we can do this again. The probability of even times 3,600. Okay. Well, the probability of getting an even number on a die is a half, or 1 in 2, times 3,600. Well, I can do this one in my head. In case you can't, you can grab your calculator. This will be 1,800 times. The expected value of getting a number greater than 4, well, the numbers greater than 4 are 5 and 6. So that is 2 outcomes out of 6. So the probability of greater than 4 times 3,600, we can calculate this to be, 2 out of 6 times 3,600. This will give us 2 out of 6. That gives us 1,200 times. Let's move right along. The probability a male is born is 0.51 and 0.49 for females. If in a hospital 4,000 babies are born in a single year, how many are expected to be male and how many are expected to be female? This wording looks rather different, but really all it is the expected value. It's saying how many males out of the 4,000 would be born if these are the probabilities. So we can write this as expected value for males is equal to the probability of being male times 4,000. Well, this is the probability of being born male is given here at 0.51. We're going to multiply this by 4,000. Okay, so here we go. So we can get 0.51 times 4,000. So 2,040 males. 2,040 males. For this, we can calculate this very similarly. So the expected value for females is the probability of being female times 4,000. Probability of being female is given here, 0.49. I'm going to multiply this by 4,000. Oops. 0.49 times 4,000 gives us 1,960 females. Oops. Hope that gave you an insight into the expected frequencies of probability. Best of luck.